the efforts we've made.
Canada's top doctor says nationally we may be turning the corner on COVID-19, but
the curve is just bending. And if you're in some of the provinces in the middle of the country, you need to be really, really precautionary.
in provinces like Saskatchewan and Alberta, vaccine hesitancy remains a major issue, a concern for Dr. Theresa Tam, who was also blunt in her assessment of those provinces for easing restrictions too quickly during the summer.
I would hope that if with this wave, that everyone has taken this to heart and that things can be really serious.
Despite that warning, Saskatchewan is not putting limits on Thanksgiving gatherings.
You can't just lift all other restrictions and rely on vaccination of an insufficient proportion of your population to drive cases down. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now in Saskatchewan and Alberta.
Infectious diseases experts say the gains made so far are fragile.
We have the winter coming up, so that's part of the reason why I think that we need to be prepared for potentially another surge. But I think in other parts of the country, they're seeing that Delta tends to find places that are susceptible to infection.
Overall, today's modeling was good news. Over 82% of eligible Canadians are now fully vaccinated. Nationally, case counts are leveling off. Still, many prepping for turkey and pumpkin feasts are making sure COVID considerations are also on the menu.
We're all getting tested ahead of time, and we're going to try and eat outside and try and, use the precautions that we can.
And according to experts, that is the right approach. Where gatherings are allowed, masks, social distancing, and small groups all need to be a reality for yet another holiday-long weekend during a pandemic that isn't behind us just yet. Travis Stanrash, CBC News, Ottawa.